Imagine a car so affordable, yet so capable, that it challenged European legends on their own turf. A car so brilliantly engineered, that it became the backbone of an entire motorsport generation in America. This isn't a BMW, this isn't a Porsche. This is the 1970 Datsun 510, the Japanese underdog that shocked the world. Stay with me, because today we're diving deep into the classic compact that turned everyday drivers into racers. And changed the reputation of Japanese cars in the United States forever. This is the story of the little giant killer, the 1970 Datsun 510. The year was 1970, the muscle car era was at its peak. But while big version 8s dominated American streets, something smaller, lighter, and far more intelligent was quietly rising. The Datsun 510 arrived as a compact sedan, but it had performance DNA that surprised everyone. This wasn't just a car, it was a revolution. Exterior. The 1970 Datsun 510 carried a clean, boxy design, simple yet timeless. Its square headlights, upright grille, and straight body lines gave it a European flair that many compared to the BMW 2002. The bumpers were lightweight, chrome-finished, and the stance was sporty for its time. Compact dimensions made it perfect for tight urban streets, but its solid engineering made it equally ready for twisty backroads. The 510 came in a 2-door, 4-door, and wagon, making it versatile for families, racers, and tuners alike. Today, that boxy silhouette is iconic, instantly recognized by classic car lovers. Interior details. Inside, the Datsun 510 was practical and driver-focused. The dashboard was straightforward, no fancy tech, no unnecessary gadgets. Just pure mechanical honesty. The steering wheel was thin but communicative, the gauges were sharp and easy to read, and the front seats offered surprising comfort for a small car of that era. Rear seat passengers had decent room, and the trunk space was impressive for a compact sedan. This balance of practicality and performance is one of the reasons the 510 became a favorite among American families, and later, among young racers. Performance and engineering. This is where the 1970 Datsun 510 truly shines. Under the hood sat the legendary 1.6 LL16 engine, producing around 96 horsepower. Not impressive on paper, but the magic wasn't just the power, it was the engineering. You got a lightweight body, a 5-speed manual, later models, or 4-speed manual. A smooth independent rear suspension, rare in affordable cars. Perfect balance and handling. This combination made the 510 a giant killer. American drivers were shocked to see a small Japanese car keeping up with, and sometimes beating, European sports sedans. In racing, the 510 dominated the SCCA Trans Am 2.5 series. Drivers like John Morton turned it into a legend, taking on Alfa Romeo and BMW and winning championship after championship. The Datsun 510 became the car that proved Japan could build world-class performance machines. Why Americans loved the 510? The Datsun 510 wasn't just fast, it was affordable, reliable, and easy to modify. Its engine responded well to upgrades, suspension tweaks were simple, and the car became a tuner's dream. Families bought it for practicality. Racers bought it for performance. Enthusiasts kept it alive as a classic. Even today, 50-plus years later, the 510 community in the US is massive. Clean examples often appear at car shows, track days, and classic Japanese car events. The 1970 Datsun 510 wasn't just a car, it was a movement. It changed how Americans viewed Japanese engineering. It challenged European legends. And it became a motorsport icon still celebrated today. If you love underdogs, if you admire smart engineering, and if you appreciate classics that earned respect the hard way, the Datsun 510 stands tall. This is the legend of the 1970 Datsun 510, the little car with the heart of a champion.